such a primal movement, but it's just a pure joy to be able to sprint, be liberated, be free, and just let rip. There's something totally awesome about it. It's the ultimate stretch for your body and the ultimate stimulus, because there's all these high impulse forces. There's all this rotation through your thoracic. Your heart and lungs really kind of cop it once you're finished as well. G'day guys, Ninja with Jason.
G'day.
We're going to do another money spot refresher video. Today we're going to do the crease of the quad. So
listen in,
in here, across here. So I'm going to go over to the diagram for a start, just to show you why we're going to do in here, why it is such a money spot. So we can kind of look at what's that one? Sartorius?
Sartorius.
Oh, I got it right. So TFL Sartorius, but we're looking through here really. So this is a pectineus.
Rec fem on the other side. If you look over the other leg, because there you go. That big, the big butt. On the end. Yeah, there you go, Leo. Well done.
Here. Yeah, your rec fem. So yeah, okay. So we're going to look at this sort of bit here. This is more adductors and the groin money spots, but so yeah, that's what we're going to do. So we're going to get in here. So I can kind of, have my back to you a bit, but that's all right.
Oh.
So when we can go the other way around as well.
Oh, sharp.
So yeah, just start sinking in. It is a delicate spot. Did this in a webinar this morning. You got the glands in this area as well. So what you want to do is just sort of go in slow, and the glands and different things like that have an opportunity to get out of the way, and then we can kind of bear into these tendons. So the reason this gets glued up in a lot of humans is because they're sitting a lot. So you got desk jobs, they're driving a lot, got driving jobs, or just sitting on couches and sitting down eating and all that kind of stuff. And we're not sprinting and not walking
not moving through the hip, not taking it through extension where these tissues get a chance to open up and lengthen.
Yeah. And like when you sprint, your foot goes right behind your back as well. So
That's right.
It doesn't happen in most people's lives, And there's stats saying that once people hit 30, they will never sprint again. Most humans in today's world. So we've recognised the importance of sprinting. We do barefoot sprinting every week. Most of the guys here.
That's it. Yeah.
So
it's an integral part of our week.
Yeah. It's such a primal movement, but it's just a pure joy to be able to sprint, be liberated, be free, and just let rip. There's something totally awesome about it. It's the ultimate stretch for your body and the ultimate stimulus, because there's all these high impulse forces. There's all this rotation through your thoracic. Your heart and lungs really kind of cop it once you're finished as well. Your short burst. I was just watching. There's a new Huberman podcast with a really good sprint coach. So yeah, check that out if you're interested.
Who was that? Do you remember the name, Ninja? Or
no, I don't. But yeah.
Oh.
But yeah, I was really kind of loving watching it, because it was kind of reinforcing and affirming all the different things I've been kind of telling Jason, Aaron, Darth over the last 10 years. So
all the benefits of sprints and moving
and
skipping, you said, was
skipping, The plyometric kind of version of skipping, you can kind of do lower impact versions through to really kind of
dynamic
bounding. So yeah, it's just that coordination and just the fun nature of skipping. And you
don't reckon you can be sad when you're skipping?
No, it's hard to have a bad posture. And,
hard to be have a frown on your face when you're skipping, isn't it?
But you can kind of express your body as well. You move your arms around and different things like that.
You can vary the amount you bring your knees up and gee.
Yeah, we love that kind of exaggerated high knee skip, things like that, don't we?
Yeah.
Kind of bit of fun.
Get a bit of jump and spring into it.
Yeah. We also do a bit of backward skipping as well, don't we?
Yeah, that always tests out a bit of the coordination to start with. See how the brain works.
Yeah. It's sort of interesting, to get that coordination, like whatever knee's up, the opposite side hand is forwards.
Oh.
So you got to get that, coordination
This way a little
through your
bit.
body. So get out a little bit. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, that's better.
So if you're not sprinting, you're not barefoot sprinting, there is transitions towards doing that. And I suppose the walking in bare feet is a good start, and then you can start to get on your toes a little bit and jog. So there's 5 different phases of movement. So it's sort of a walk, jog, run, stride, and then sprint. So there's kind of different percentage of what
intensities and things.
Max is to determine what a stride is up against a run. So I think a stride is like 80 to 95% of your 100%
effort.
Yeah. So and then the sprint is 95 to 100% of your 100%. So
100% of your 100%.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I'm just hitting on some spots. So when we do hit spots in here, we can kind of move and hit onto them even deeper like that. And then just pinning it, holding it, we can kind of just change the angle like that, and that delivers a scoop to the body. So, I'm just sort of just pinning it, holding it. That's the real difference in what we do. We hold things for extended periods of time. We allow the body time to melt. And that's what it's all about. So I suppose the idea behind this refresher series is, Bodyworkers out there, might be keen on learning from us how all our philosophies for a start, and then we kind of create the methods from that. So we've got the Bodywork Bible, we call it, that you can buy, and then you can be mentored by Aaron and myself, so you can get certified. So we recognise that you can deliver this kind of therapy, and so we have got international accreditation now. So we're pioneers of this work. So you can get insurance and recognition, if you do complete this course. So.
How good's that?
So bloody
Be
good.
a family of an MMT family member by extension.
Yeah. It's a big happy family. We're trying to help people around the world heal. It's a very noble kind of thing.
Cause?
Yeah. And it's such a pleasure and a privilege to witness people healing, So we just love that. We should all be happy, healthy and strong. So enjoying our lives, just hanging out with our family and friends, and we're encouraging everyone to be able to get
back to that.
Yeah, get back to that. Have fun. Have a laugh. Get in your natural state. Be present in the real world. Don't be just on the screen. That's where all the
getting your instant gratification, dopamine hits.
Yeah. Yeah, we want to be doing this in real life, having real life conversations and engagements, so getting things done in the world. So just feeling there, that feels like a good spot for you, Jace.
It does feel like a good spot. Oh. Bit of extra spice.
Yeah, so it's a really important part of the body to have working well, because we weren't designed with sitting all day in mind. We wouldn't have needed a gym back, in the day, because we would have...
Life was the gym.
Life was a life gym, wasn't it? Yeah, you just walked everywhere, and you dug holes when you needed to, plant stuff, and you chopped up wood, and you climbed trees.
Hunted.
And you ran around, and you had to run away from things if it was danger, Had to pick up everything. So if you wanted to get things done, you had to do the physical exertion, and we would have been going to to bed with the moon and getting up with the sun type of thing. So yeah, times have changed. Got so much more comfort. That's why we need to seek the challenge, of movement and different kinds of movement so that we can maintain health.
Oh, how do you go at going to bed with the moon and coming up with the sun ninja?
No,
your wiring of that's a bit out.
Yeah, I'm not into all this sleep theory.
3 a.m. specialist, aren't you?
Yeah. I kind of listen to. I know there's some really high-profile people that have really done a lot of work in the world that only sleep a couple of hours a day. So I've kind of, when you're on a bit of a mission, you feel like you've got energy, even if you haven't slept. And yeah.
So you can do the stats at 3 a.m.
Yeah, mate. It's a good time.
Oh, it's a good time, mate.
You can just see the elbows being in there. The other thing we want to kind of mention is the
budgies.
The budgie smokers. Look at that. I'll show you.
Your own personalised brand of budgies.
See mine.
Where can they see more of them, Ninja?
Patreono.
Jump over.
Exclusive.
Yeah. The budgies. No towel.
You want to hang out with us? Be vicariously live through us.
Have some fun. Have some laughs.
Yeah,
some good treatment.
Our challenges are pretty fun. So
yeah.
But yeah, you can do it. You sort of press a few buttons. That's all it is. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching today. Like, subscribe, share. Appreciate your support.
Thanks, guys.
Comment too. See you later. Bye.
Bye.